Tang da da dan! Oh gosh. Tell your kwan.
Mom was gonna wait till the birthday.
That's long daw long.
So long.
Dahil sila ano yung mga action figure.
What
Uy!
should you do with lava?
There's a booklet in there that you could... there's a booklet in there? No? Look, that you could build.
But we can do now?
Yes. Okay. That's super cool. Whoop. Very happy sila. Happy.
Now be careful though with this one.
TNT!
There's two TNT for you. Wow, yes, make
Oh, lava. Happy ko sila. Happy.
I'm gonna build.
Where's the booklet? Here we go. Mga ilahang guide. Magnetic building cubes. Here. Look. Nothing na. Nothing. No more. Nothing.
We can play again?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
She likes to go.
one of these.
They have fun, huh?
Dragon.
They have fun. They have fun.
Dragon. Oh, that's a dragon. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad.
Yep. Thank you, Mom. And thank you, Dad.
This
You're
one's
welcome.
Add TNT over here. Mom, you can be the princess.
I can be the princess.
And it
Yeah.
So, love, look. Do you use now the figure?
Wink.
Oh, this is for me.
Yeah.
You princess. Nice guys. Okay, kung ano magsabi.
stone for you.
Magnet sa magnet. Magnet kayo.
And there's a pig too.
Lalab the steak din na ba? I forgot naman po ba?
The purple.
Before we forget anything, we come back here very fast from Rose. Because, kuan, we need to put out, agoy. Forget na po, almost forget. So, mo na ilahang na, nanganto po may sa 5 bilo, mo na ilahang nakita na action figure. Oy! Oy! Oh boy! Serpent!
Is
Cut my head!
and you
No,
got
you did kill the princess in there.
now you got an oven. TNT. We can't do that.
Dako po yung bukting oy.
And the dragon.
Oh my gosh.
Damn it! Now we died. I do. I'm a droid. Now you need
Steve si Steve.
mine.
Mo na si Creeper. Creeper.
You got more
Si Piglet.